This channel's called Hidden Hammock. This is a stealth camping and adventure channel. And I got good news. It's 11:59 and that means I'm free. For the last 3 weeks I've been locked down in level 4 and level 3, and at 11:59 right now I just moved to level 2, which means I can go stealth camping. If you check this out, it says you can do activities like walking, biking and hunting, including on public conservation land. Overnight trips are okay. That's us, baby. We're going stealth camping. We're going to go to an abandoned sports ground. There's like an abandoned building there, and like an old like grandstand. It's not big, it's just a small like sports field stand, and we're gonna try hang the hammock there. I'm not gonna take a tarp tonight, so yeah, my bag's a little bit lighter. Instead of a tarp I packed my onesie, so yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna go ninja to the sports ground. Let's carry on, let's do this. Stealth camping, hidden hammock. Yeah. I just gotta get my mask. I forgot my mask. Got my mask on. Mask is mandatory in level 2, so I have to wear this mask, otherwise I wouldn't be walking down the street like this. But yeah, I have to by law. So yeah, let's go guys. I'm so excited. This is the first stealth camp in 3 weeks. There's not much light where we're going. I mean, have a look down there. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's go. Yeah, so straight up, we got to be careful. I'm not joking either. We got to be real careful for like stray cows. I think they're called brumbies. Yeah, man, it's a foggy night tonight. So misty. Yeah, so we've got to be on the watch out for stray cows because they are quite dangerous. These ones haven't grown up on the farm. Well, they grew up on the farm, but then they ran away. And yeah, we've got a problem at the moment. So watch out for cows, guys. Let's carry on. All right, we're about halfway there, but I'm running out of lampposts, so it's gonna get real dark soon. So I'll have to turn on. Thought there's a car coming. I have to turn on my head torch to talk to you. So yeah, serious. This is probably the last light. There's one light on in that house up there. So yeah. There's a Brumby. There's 2. I'm going. Do you see that? Holy shit. There's 2 Brumbies. No joke. Gotta go. But no joke, there was 2 Brumbies there, man. I didn't film it, sorry, I didn't catch that. But yeah, they're dangerous ones, man. Alright. Man, that was freaky. Everyone's asleep on the street. Oh, there's one right up there. Watch out for dogs too. Okay, this is the last light on the street. Alright. We're about to enter the sports ground and I'm just gonna sneak up the road, and then just at the top of the hill to the right there's like an abandoned club room. We'll go check that out, but I think I want to hang my hanger in the grandstand thing. So yeah, we'll suss it out soon. I got to turn on my torch. I got to have my torch with me because to shine on the brumbies, because it'd be real dark in here. And yeah. All right. Follow me. Come with me as we go further into the darkness. Let's go. That's the abandoned building. The abandoned club room. Just checking for brumbies. Alright, let's go. Let's have a look in here. Follow me. First I want some chicken here for homeless people. Nah, but Look, definitely been people here. Check that out. Wow. Whiteboard. Broken door. Old chair. Look, the window's busted out. Look at the old rugby pads. Yeah. Let's go check out where we're gonna sleep. Alright, we're gonna sleep down here. This is us. What do you think, guys? This is us. Yeah. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Bam. I don't know if you can see, I've turned the torch on. But yeah, this is where we're staying. So I'm just gonna set up the light. Is that better? Yeah, so I just set up the light. I'm probably gonna leave it on for 10 minutes while I set up the hammock. And I turn the light off and then make sure it's sweet again. But the only house is there. So the first house is there and the rest of the out here is okay. So as long as I stay behind this corner here, then I should be sweet. So I'll get back to you soon. I just gotta hang the hammock. What's that? I mean, what was that? Sweet. Look, they gave me a fright. Put you back over here. Done the mattress. Now I just gotta loft out my sleeping bag. Put my survival blanket. Sweet ass. My sleeping bag, my survival blanket, and mattress are done. Alright guys, tell me what you think. So yeah, run a ridgeline from over there all the way to there, hooked up a daisy chain through there, hooked up another daisy chain up there. Yeah, mosquito nets in, got my gear in. Yeah, pretty sweet, eh? I'm gonna turn off the light now and just make sure no one's around. Sweet. Alright, so we're not gonna make any food tonight. I'm just gonna make a hot chocolate Now I'm going to crawl into the cocoon. Yeah. Hopefully no one comes. Good old pump water. Oh yeah. Save some for coffee in the morning. So yeah, had some cool interactions on YouTube this week with Paul from Weed in the Bush. Yeah, he shouted me out on his channel, so big ups to him. Props to him. Go check his channel out. It's called Weed in the Bush. Yeah. He's from Alberta, Canada. And yeah, he's got a pretty cool channel. Watched him from the start. Yeah, Paul from the channel Weed in the Bush. Big ups to you, bro. But yeah, got us some hot chocolate. Yeah. Check this out. Man, there's some weird noises coming from that direction. Some sort of bird, man, it squawks. I can't wait to get a hot chocolate in me. Yeah. No chocolate bombs this week though. Definitely some loud waves. Some sort of peacock over there squawking, and every now and then I hear a brumby. Are they brumbies? I don't know. What are the runaway cows? Let's try that. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah, mean combo. That's a mean combo. Alright, cheers guys. Cheers. Back to stealth camping. That's us, man. So yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to edit, upload this video, and then the next day, Thursday, I'm going to travel to the nearest big town and stay in there for a week and film some more stealth camping videos. So plenty of videos coming from my way, guys. So yeah, peacock thing again. Whoa, weird, eh? Fly out. Okay, it's not a brumby. I think they just were called wild cattle. But yeah, there was 2 wild cattle on the road. I think a brumby's a wild horse. Yeah, so I got that wrong. This hot chocolate reminds me of the one when I was in the mountain bike park in Wellington, and I made a hot chocolate inside the disabled toilet. Yeah, tastes like this one. If you haven't seen that video, go back and check out my old vids. I bought an electric bike in Palmerston North and I biked to Wellington. Yeah, and I stealth camped at the mountain bike park. So yeah, go back and check it out. As soon as I finish this hot chocolate, I can get into my PJs and jump into the sack. So yeah, I just got into my PJs and still weird bird noises in the background. Hear that? So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about being able to stealth camp again. So yeah, like I was saying before, I'm gonna go into the nearest town for a week and film stealth camping videos, so plenty more content coming from my channel. I'm up to 94 subscribers, so there's another 6 spots left if you want to be my first 100, my day 100s. Yeah, 94 subscribers. Thanks so much, guys, for subscribing and following along on my adventures. I won't let you down, promise. Alright, I'm gonna jump into bed. Man, it's pretty wild here. I don't even know if I could. Man, feels like I'm getting hunted right now. Welcome to the wild. Still heaps of weird bird noises. It's about 2:45 now. Getting a bit tired. I'm just gonna, kick back, eat some of this. Check it out. This is Whitaker's creamy 125 years of crafting chocolate. Made in New Zealand. Yeah. So yeah, this is just a plain chocolate like block, but yeah, this is me tonight. There's been heaps of stars too. So, but like a little bit of fog, so it's like mystical stars. Yeah. Pretty cool. But yeah, a lot of weird noises. This stealth camps had the most weird noises. Oh, that was my camera. Yeah, so I'm just gonna munch some of this. And then might be bedtime. So yeah, it's about 3:20 now. It's getting pretty late. I checked the temperature. It's down to 10 degrees. I reckon it's gonna fall another degree in the next couple of hours. So 9 degrees tonight. Not too bad. Had enough chocolate now. Still heaps of weird noises everywhere. Yeah, still wild as. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get some sleep. Sunrise is at 6:30. So set my alarm for 6:15. So I'm not gonna get much of a sleep, 3 hours. And if I wake up, then we'll see what tomorrow brings us. So yeah, I'm so stoked. My first stealth camp after being locked down. Who knows? I could go straight back to level 4, level 3. Boom, just like that. So yeah, not gonna waste any level 2 opportunities. Gonna go stealth camping hard. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go sleep now, guys. Good night, YouTube. See you in the morning. Man, there's some weird noises. Good morning. Man, there's been heaps of birds this morning. I just woke up. It's a little bit cold. It looks frosty out there. The sun should be coming up soon. So I'll make some coffee and yeah, move on. Look, I just spotted some of those wild cows. I know you can see a fence there, but they're not fenced in at all. They're just running through the town wild. Coffee time. Yay. Alright, got the coffee going. This is where we stayed last night, guys. Look at that. That's right. We came from that other building, we came down the path, came here, set up a ridge line all the way to there, hooked it up, got the torch hanging, got the hammock up, yeah, got the Yeti backpack there, some juice, and just making a coffee. Yeah. Now here, if we look really close, we have got the sun coming up over there. What a day. And look at these little friends. These guys. What are they? Pukekos? Or are they peacocks? And look, there's those bad cows. Look at them all roaming. Little baby ones, big ones. Look at this fella. Anyway, what do you think, guys? Good spot? Do you like that? Wicked, eh? Look at that. Man. Cows like it. Oh, this coffee's so good. That's us right there. Good morning. So it's time to pack up and leave no trace. Let's go. That's us all packed down. Nothing up here, nothing up here. Just gotta pack it away. Bam! Check it out. All packed away. Leave no trace. Alright, time to go. Let's go. Man, look at that spot there. Maybe one day, if we get an extra long or double daisy chain, we could probably camp in between those two posts. Yeah, future stealth camp recon. Alright guys, well that concludes another episode of Hidden Hammock. Don't forget, I'm up to 94 subscribers, so there's only 6 day 100 spots left. I got, in 2 days time, I'm heading to another city and gonna film a few videos over the next week, so I got plenty of content coming up. So yeah, stealth camping adventures, I got you covered. I'm gonna go now, so I'll see you on the flip side. Peace. Follow me, come with me as we go further into the darkness.